How to play Bladeball on PS4 with keyboard and mouse. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to effectively use the controls for Bladeball on the PS4 or PS5 version of the game. To begin, when you launch the game, you need to interact with the touchpad to navigate and select various options. Press the touchpad to select, move around, and press it again to confirm your selection. Additionally, you can also access more controls by pressing the Options button. There are primarily two keys actions in the game, that is blocking and using abilities. To block, simply press R1 to intercept the incoming ball and redirect it to another player. Using square to activate your ability like the dash forward move, you can maneuver your character using the left stick, adjust the camera by zooming in and out, jump, and perform a double jump. As the gameplay starts, you will see how straightforward it is to play. Remember, the core actions involve using the square for the abilities and R1 to block incoming balls. Even if you misteam a block, keep practicing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.